This is not a sponsored video. This is the third steering gearbox that we've had in our LBZ Duramax, the third one. The first one, we don't know what it was. It was leaking a lot. And then the second one we put in was from Napa. Nothing against Napa, but it was there, we needed it, we installed it, and it didn't work good at all. I have nothing good to say about that gearbox. So then we turned to Blue Top, and ever since then, the truck has just worked, or the gearbox has just worked. I can't say the truck has worked because we've had our fair share of breakdowns, but the steering gearbox still looks good. We don't really have any seepage on it. It's been working. Now I've completely rebuilt the front end since we've installed this gearbox, but it was part of the rebuild of the front end. Blue Top is located in North Dakota. Their customer service has been excellent. I have called them twice with questions. One was for sales, excuse me. I've called them twice. One was for sales when we first purchased it. The second one was to talk to them about maintenance and tightening that screw on the top, thinking that it was loosening up inside. I talked to them. They walked me through what to do and what to look for. I have no complaints. 2 interactions with them, 1 purchase. Years later, let's take a look at the mileage. I hope this review's been helpful for you. You know, I don't know too much about gearboxes to talk about the quality and the machining and how that all works. What I can say is I've had really good luck with it in 5 years, whereas the one from Napa, oh, that one lasted me a whole 6 months, and the one prior, well, I don't know how old it was, and I don't know if it was the original one or not, but I had driven on that one for roughly 6 years.